In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your TradingView subscription. If you're looking to stop future charges or switch plans, don't worry. This is quick and straightforward. We'll walk through the exact path inside your account so you can manage your billing with confidence. Start by signing in to your TradingView account on the web or in the desktop app using your usual login. Make sure you're using the same account that holds the paid plan. If you have more than one account, double check the username shown after you log in. Once you're in, look to the top left of the screen for your profile avatar. Click it to open the account menu. This menu is where TradingView keeps all your personal settings, profile options, and payment controls. From that menu, open Settings, and then choose Billing. Billing is the section that shows your active plan, your renewal date, and your payment method. It's the hub for any plan changes, including cancellations. Inside Settings, you'll see a list of tabs along the left side. Click Subscriptions. This page is dedicated to your plan details. If you currently have an active subscription, you'll see it displayed here along with the management options. Look for the option to cancel the subscription. Click it and follow the prompts. TradingView may ask for a quick reason and will usually confirm the end date of your premium features. Read that message carefully so you know exactly when access changes. Then confirm the cancellation to finalize it. That confirmation step prevents accidental cancellations, so be sure to complete it. A couple of helpful notes as you wrap up. If you don't see a cancel button, it typically means there isn't an active paid plan on the account you're viewing. Verify you're logged into the right account and that the plan status shows as active. Also, cancellations generally stop the next renewal. They usually don't end access immediately, so you can keep using premium features until the date TradingView shows during confirmation. After you confirm, keep an eye out for a confirmation notice on screen, and in many cases, an email summarizing the change. It's a good idea to capture or save the renewal date shown during cancellation, just for your records. And that's it. By navigating through your profile, opening settings and billing, and using the subscriptions tab, you can cancel your TradingView subscription in just a minute or two. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your plan.